If you have been keeping an eye on the market for the last 2, 3 weeks, you have probably noticed properties are starting to sell a little bit faster and they're actually going up in price, and some of them are even selling with multiple offers. So what is exactly going on? Because we all thought the market was on a decline and inflation was still out of control. So what is exactly happening? I think it might be a bit of a phenomenon known as the bull trap. I am not an economist or even a financial advisor, so I'm not gonna try to explain this in technical terms, but I do know real estate and I think I kind of have an idea what's happening here. So what is a bull trap? So a bull trap is a situation where the market appears to be on an upward trend, but it's actually a false signal. It's called a bull trap because it tricks investors like buyers and sellers into thinking that the market's going up when in fact it's just a temporary blip. Now, is this a bull trap? We're just going to have to wait and see. Like I said before, I'm not an economist. And now, what causes a bull trap? There's several factors. One of them is speculation. Like people think, okay, maybe we have bottomed out, so now might be the better time to go in before the market picks up again. So, and the rates are on pause, so maybe the prices are not going to go lower. So a lot of speculation in the market, so people are jumping back in, and that causes a short-term increase in demand, but I don't know if that's sustainable in the long term. And I think another cause for a bull trap, like I said before, is lack of inventory. There's just not much, to choose from right now. So when there are fewer properties available for sale, buyers, get desperate and they're willing to pay more than they normally would. This can cause an increase in prices, but again, I don't know if it's sustainable in the long term. Now, if you guys are wondering, okay, well, what are the signs to kind of keep an eye on for? I think the first sign is a rapid increase in prices. Like if the prices are going up too fast, it could be a sign that the market is overheating and a correction is coming. Now, another sign is a sudden increase in demand. We have seen that in the last 2, 3 weeks. We have seen a sudden increase in demand, and more than likely, I think it is because it's seasonal and Bank of Canada is holding the rates. So if you see a sudden surge in demand for likely properties, I think it's important to investigate why this is happening. And if it's due to speculation or lack of inventory, then likely it's a bull trap. And just I think finally just keep an eye on the overall economic climate. Like if there are signs of a recession or economic downturn, then it's likely that the real estate market is going to get affected. Just have to see if this is a bull trap and the market's going to decline again in 2, 3 months, or if this is the bottom and the worst is over and now the prices are going to start going back up again. So if you're a seller, great time to sell. I always recommend just holding it as long as possible. But if you need to get out of the property, yeah, it's a good time to sell. I would have said just wait till the market recovers overall, maybe a year, 2, 3 years. But for a buyer, it's tough. It's tough for me to say wait 2, 3 months and the market will go lower because I have no idea. So I would hate to give the wrong advice unintentionally and then end up costing you some money.